Hey guys, welcome back to the web coding. So in this video, we are discussing our next question, that is pattern inverted hourglass. So for any 7, we need to print this type of pattern. Okay, so let's take this pattern onto our open board. Okay, this is our pattern for any 7. For any 7. So we are starting from row number here. So the row numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So I represent these rows numbers. Okay, so to keep things simple, let's assume that here is also stars, not a space, okay, not a hollow shape in this pattern. Okay, so let's analyze this line by line. Okay, so in the first line or first row, there is no space, only stars. Okay, in the second row, there is one space or 5 stars. In the third row, there is 2 space and 3 star. So we need to take spaces first and after that stars. Okay, in the first row there is 0 spaces and 7 star, that is n number of stars. In the second row, 1 space and 5 stars. In the third row, 2 spaces and 3 stars, 2 spaces, 3 stars. In the fourth row, 3 space and 1 star, 3 space and 1 star. In the fifth row, 2 space, 3 star, 2 spaces, 3 stars. In the sixth row, 1 space and 5 stars. Okay, and in seventh row, 0 space and 7 stars. So as a result of this is our analysis of this pattern. So let's divide this pattern into two parts. So this is the first half of this pattern. First half, first half, and this is the second half. Okay, of this pattern half. So in the first half, the number of spaces are increasing by 1 and the number of stars are decreasing by 2. Number of spaces in the first half are increasing by 1 and the number of stars will be decreases by 2. Okay, just opposite of that, in the second row, second half, the number of spaces will be decreases by 1 and the number of stars will be increases by 2. So this is our analysis for this question. So let's do some code for that. So this is our ID. So we have to take the number of spaces first, that is 0 in the first row. Number of stars are n number of stars in the first row. So starting a loop on row, that is for loop that I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. So this is a loop on row. So in every row there is first spaces, after that stars. Okay, after doing this work, we need to increment and decrement the stars, number of spaces and number of stars here. So if I is, so up to this line, we need to increase the star and decrease the spaces here. So we can say that if I is less than equals to n by 2, up to that this condition, the number of stars are decreases and number of spaces are increases by 1. So let's write the condition for that. So in every row there is first space, after that star, after that we have to do some work there, and after that, after every row we need a new line. So for the spaces we need a loop on that. Spaces for sp in range of 1 comma number of spaces plus 1. Okay, and we need to print spaces here, that backslash tab and end at this. Okay, for the star we are running a star loop on this in range of 1 comma number of stars plus 1. So we need to print stars here. So printing stars here, that backslash tab and end at this. So now we need to do some work here. If I is less than equals to n by 2, then number of spaces are incrementing by 1. So number of spaces are incrementing by 1 and number of stars will be decrementing by 2. In the else part, just opposite of this, number of spaces will be decreases and number of star will be increases by 2. So after this, we need to add a new line. So it will give a new line for us. So let's try to run this code. So this is an output for this code. We have to run this for n as a 7 as input. Okay, let's copy this and paste it here at this paste. So this is our output. This is our output for the code that we have written on the ID. So let's give the row numbers here. The row numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and we need that this hollow shape in this pattern in the lower half. So we can say that if I is greater than n by 2, to do some work here, and up to I is less than n, so we need to consider this window now. From this to this, we need to consider this window now here. So this is our window that we need to consider. So the start of this window will be I is greater than n by 2 and I will be less than n. So this is the condition. So for this condition, in this condition, we need to remove the stars from here and adding the space. So let's analyzing this row, fifth row. In the fifth row, there is 2 stars, two spaces and 3 star. 2 spaces for the fifth row, 2 spaces and 3 stars. Okay, so here 2 stars. Here are 2 stars. At this point, stars loop will be ended. Sorry, 2 spaces. At this point, spaces loop will be ended, and from this point, star loop will be start. So in this, at this position, stars loop will be start. So what is the value of this? So star value will be 1 here, and at this point, the number of stars in the fifth row will be 3. So at this position, star value will be equals to number of star. Okay, so what is our analysis for that? If we write the condition is if star is greater than 1 and star is less than number of stars, then print space. If we write the condition that star is greater than 1 and star is less than number of star, then print star. Space. What we need to print spaces from this to this in between them. Okay, so the condition will be stars will be greater than 1 and stars will be less than number of stars. So print space here. So it will be print space here. So we need to make sure that they are running a loop, running a if condition for spaces here. After that, in the else part, if condition, we need to write there, it will be print space, and the else part, it will be print stars. Okay, so let's go on to the ID. So in this row, we need to first print space here. After that, we are working on stars. For the spaces, the condition, the window we will consider here that if I is greater than n by 2 and I is less than n and star is greater than 1 and star is less than nst. So this window and this window will be considered here. If these all conditions are true, then print space here. So if I is greater than n by 2 and I is less than n and star will be greater than 1 and star will be less than number of star. If these conditions are true, then we need to print space here. So copy this and paste it here. In the else part, now we need to print stars also. So in the else part, we just adding star here. Okay, copy it, paste it here, and we need to just add star here. So this is our code for the question. So accepted. So this is a hollow area in this hourglass shape. Okay, so let's try to submit it. So all the test cases are passed here. So I hope you understand the question and the solution of this question. Okay, thank you for watching.